is Jojo, and we're trying to follow if you put Angel on something random, also not burnable, and you turn on a ladder, or take a ladder from your mom, it will make a tiny little fire. And you can just do, it's gone. Don't let it go for too long, or else something bad will happen. How? What can it do? I got an idea. This tiny bullet from my gun, and we're gonna see what happens to it. I don't know if the fire is surrounding it or it's all the fire. We'll wait a while and see if it melts. It just turned into a tiny blob, and let's see. Just turned into a. It like melted and started bubbling, so I just took it down off. Let's see if this ruler is usable. It was usable. Pyromaniac.